Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing of a bag that I got recently from the city. I am going to call this like a fake unboxing because if you want to see the true unboxing, that is on my TikTok page, which I will insert here on the screen. But basically this is just going to be a very quick video of just an unboxing of a new purse that I got to my collection, and I just want to share it guys with you. So basically I already unwrapped it, but this is the wrapping that it comes with. And then of course it also gives you the customer care little like paper with it. And then I just have my receipt here, and this was the ribbon that was tying up the two shopping handles. But basically here she is. I ended up getting the mini tote, and I am so excited to use this, guys. Like, I feel like this is like the perfect purse for me, just because like it's leather inside, so it's different from the bigger version of the tote bag that I have. So I kind of like how this is versatile because you can actually reverse this and just have the plain leather on the outside instead of having the print. But I honestly never see myself wearing it that way because I just really love the print. And then of course it does come with the little like coin purse thing for you to hold any of your cards, which I'll probably use for this one honestly because it's a little bit smaller, and I see myself using that as the wallet in here. I don't know, I feel like with the bigger one I didn't really see myself using it as much, and I kind of just loved the print and definitely wanted still like a goyard bag in my purse collection. And I kept seeing this one everywhere. I was like, honestly I should have just gotten the smaller one because I can see it more of like a purse and me just getting more use out of it, because I feel like I have so many tote bags, but that's not really like a tote bag that I would use to travel and stuff, or like as an overnight bag, so I didn't really see the point of getting that one. So I feel like this one is definitely going to be getting more use out of me just doing my errands and like day to day. And like obviously the pattern I'm still obsessed with, so I feel like it could still go with a lot of outfits, because like obviously the outfit that I'm wearing right now, I feel like this could definitely go with it. So funny though, because obviously this is my second experience going to the Goyard store, and it's like, I don't know, like I feel like honestly after this I am good with Goyard. Like I don't really need anything else from Goyard, or I'm not like wanting anything from Goyard. So yeah, as far as like the experience to me, honestly it wasn't always the best. Not that the people were rude, they were always nice, but I feel like they're just very like, you know, like old money, if that makes sense. But like they're very like a little bit more uptight and like not as friendly. Like I feel like I've shopped plenty of times at like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and like the sales associates are so nice. They kind of let you, you know, put things in the purse to see like to make sure like it can fit all your necessities. But like literally guys, I was at the store and I was like trying it on. He like let me see it in the mirror and stuff. Also, you cannot film anything in their showroom at all. But I was like putting it in my phone actually to make sure that it fits. This is literally just the phone that I use, and I was just like putting it in there, like no big deal. And the guy's just like, oh, you cannot put any of your personal items in there. And I was like, oh, okay, all right. Like, what? I don't know. But honestly, I'm still satisfied with this purchase, and like I said, that it's probably the last time I will be going to Goyard, because again, kind of don't really want anything else there. Like I'm good with just this bag and like the other tote bag that I have. Like really don't need anything else. I don't know if anybody else has had that experience, but like just like I said, just from the both times that I went, I feel like it was kind of like I was like on my toes, like tiptoeing around, and felt a little bit uncomfortable and like not very welcomed. But I don't know, maybe that's different because I know there's other Goyard locations. But it's also just super annoying because I feel like Goyard would be the store where I would just order something online, but as I mentioned in my first video, you can't order anything online with Goyard. You literally have to go to the store. If there's a line, you're gonna have to wait. They literally take only one customer at a time in the store. So it's like really annoying of how like I understand they're trying to be like exclusive, but at the same time it's like, you're not Hermes, okay? Okay, let me not say that, but literally that's how I feel, where it's kind of just like I feel like people are just there for like the trends, or like, you know, just like one or two items. I don't really see someone like Hermes where you're just like waiting on on a like list to get that Birkin and that Kelly and get that experience with the sales associate and trying to be friends with them. I don't know. Again, that's just me, or like maybe I am the only person who really just had an interest in this bag and I'm kind of okay after that. But anyway, I just wanted to do this quick unboxing for you guys, which ended up being more of a vent and I feel like a ramble on. But yeah, this is her. I'm going to put it on the screen, the official name of this bag as well, because I think it's called the Anjou bag. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but I just like to call it the mini tote. But yeah, I will definitely do a review on this, on how much I'm going to use this bag, or like, you know, wear and tear after a couple months of using it, or like a year of using it. But honestly, like I said, I'm really satisfied with this one. As far as pricing, because I know it's really hard to find pricing for these bags, so this one was $2,420, and that was of course before tax, so also add that in as well. It is kind of pricey, I feel like, especially this one was more expensive than the bigger tote bag that I have. But I don't know, I feel like it, because this is more of like a purse, and like, you know, the miniature like mini purses are always a little bit more expensive than the bigger ones, I feel like, sometimes for these high-end luxury brands. But like I said, I was okay with it, and I feel like I can see myself getting good use out of this, so I was okay with paying that price as long as I'm not going to sell this again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I am super excited to use this bag, and I will give you guys updates. So make sure to follow me on my other social medias, which I'll insert here, as I mentioned, TikTok and Instagram. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!